Photosynthesis is a process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy that they receive from the sun into chemical energy, which is stored in glucose. This process occurs primarily in the chloroplasts of plant cells, where the green pigment chlorophyll can also be found. Plants require three main ingredients for photosynthesis, which are sunlight, water, and CO2. How do plants get these ingredients? Sunlight is absorbed through the plant's leaves, water is taken up from the roots of the soil, and CO2 enters the leaves through tiny openings called stomata. In the leaves are chloroplasts, which contain structures called thylakoids arranged in stacks known as grana. The chlorophyll in the thylakoids captures sunlight, initiating photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is divided into two stages: the light-dependent reactions and the Calvin cycle. The light-dependent reactions occur in the thylakoid membranes, and this is where sunlight is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH. In this process, the water molecules are split and oxygen is released as a byproduct. The oxygen is released into the atmosphere, ensuring the survival of living organisms. The second stage is the Calvin cycle, which happens in the stroma of the chloroplasts. The ATP and NADPH produced in the light-dependent reactions are used to convert CO2 into glucose through a series of steps. This glucose acts as the energy source for the plant and is used to form other essential organic molecules. Glucose can be used immediately for energy. It can also be stored in the form of starch to be used later, and it can be used to build cellulose, which is what the plant cell walls are made of. To summarize, photosynthesis allows plants to convert sunlight, water, and CO2 into glucose and oxygen. The equation for photosynthesis can be seen here.